In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a spreadsheet into a Jotform. This process is simple and can be done in just a few minutes. Whether you're looking to share information more efficiently or enhance your form's functionality, embedding a spreadsheet is an excellent way to achieve that. Let's dive into the steps. First, you'll need to go to jotform.com. On the sign-in page, you have several options to enter your account. You can sign in using your Google account, Microsoft account, or traditional email and password method. Choose the one that is most convenient for you and log in. Once you're logged in, navigate to the form where you want to embed your spreadsheet. It's important to choose the right form to ensure your data is displayed accurately. Next, if you're using Google Sheets, make sure your sheet is accessible. To do this, adjust the sharing settings by allowing anyone with the link to view it. Copy the URL of the sheet. This will be needed later in the process. Now let's head back to Jotform. In the form editor, you'll see a Widgets tab. Open this tab and search for iframe embed. This widget will allow you to integrate the spreadsheet seamlessly. Simply drag and drop it onto your form where you want the spreadsheet to appear. With the iframe embed widget now in your form, let's configure it. Click on the widget to access its settings. Paste the URL you copied earlier into the frame URL field. This tells the widget which sheet it needs to display. At this point, you'll want to ensure that the embedded spreadsheet looks just right within your form. You can adjust the width and height of the embedded spreadsheet in the widget settings, customizing it to suit your form's design and layout needs. Alternatively, if you prefer or require a different approach, you can use the spreadsheet widget. This is particularly useful if you want to work with data that needs to align closely with your form fields. Before using this method, ensure that your spreadsheet is formatted correctly. This includes having column headers that match your form's field labels. In your Jotform form again, head to the Widgets tab, search for the Spreadsheet to Form widget and add it to your form. This widget allows for more interactive data handling within your form. To finalize the setup, click the Upload File button within the widget settings and select your prepared spreadsheet file. Once uploaded, you will need to save your changes by clicking Update Widget. And there you have it. You've successfully embedded a spreadsheet into your Jotform. This method enhances the functionality of your forms, making them more interactive and dynamic. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps streamline your form creation process.